Hello guys, so welcome to tonight's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for able to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, I'm going to start with tonight's show. Okay, so I think I'm going to give us updates, after the match and play against Ipswich about Bukayo Saka, because everybody's anxious. Everybody want to know how far, what's it really happen. I remember say when we do the full-time analysis show, I even talk about that will give us clarity after the match. Once they don't do the press conference and he don't give clarity. In fact, I think it was Chris Whitley. We're going to talk with that talk for press conference. Say Saka dey in a bit of pain, but it doesn't look too serious. Now waiting Ateta the talk, say thank God say they that serious. Even Charles Watts follow Pussmouth for the matter, say it is no surprise to see Bukayo Saka's ankle or Achilles being strapped up with ice, haven't come off. Hopefully nothing. A couple of days rest won't sort it out. I hope it's nothing. A couple of days rest won't sort out, because I know so when I remember when they use something they wrap arm, come put ice block. Ability no get inflammation, may no swell, because what see that guy do Saka, the way Saka they carry hand up, they shout, you gonna see the thing this serious. And the worst part is they no really expect them. So our hopes and prayers now say make the thing no go like gets complicated after today. Say because you can't say go do you, say maybe something do you now when you can't sleep, you can't feel the pain, that kind of thing. With the pray say nothing like that happens. Say as Saka, as Ateta talker, although I know say the physios they go run spray and deep hits, they go run back, to the injection, they go fire and many which way, because them know how important in the for Arsenal. Not even with them know them the they know how important in the for that PSG match. You get as it go be safe if you don't even see Saka against Crystal Palace. So that one said this. So just to calm everybody's nerves, to allay your fears, Bukayo Saka is okay. I no fear anything. Saka go play against PSG. Now let's talk about the match. So so we beat PSG. I say PSG. We beat Ipswich 4-0. Now the sweet thing will happen for this match. When you look at it, you will see say Ateta did some experimentation in this match. Rice played the normal role where Partey dey play to protect the back four. Role where him originally they play for West Ham. Yes. Then Merino can't play Rice role. Trossard can't play Merino role. You get now the experimentation way Ateta they try to do. Not be say Partey no fit involved for this match. Partey they eligible to play this game now. Be anything to do Partey. But because we want to try out some experimentation, that was why we asked Partey to stay on the bench. You get. So we can't start like this. Against Crystal Palace, we still start again like this, or Partey will come in. So that some of all these guys will have a lot of breathing space to rest. And in fact, they do have a calendar B. Because after the match we'll play against FC, I can go check our calendar. On Wednesday, we'll play Crystal Palace. Wednesday night on the 23rd. Now, the sweet thing is, after playing Crystal Palace on Wednesday, the next time we'll play again next Wednesday for the Champions League. You get. So the thing, it makes like it sweets me going, it makes sense. So now the 29th Wednesday or Tuesday, I don't know if you even remember against them. Whether Wednesday or Tuesday, I can't remember. I think the first leg should be on Tuesday, then second leg should be on Wednesday. So I think it will be Tuesday. But the Coco be say we have like 6 days to rest, so they go rest well. So people do this calendar, they do them well. Instead of playing like on a Saturday, Sunday, and playing the Champions League Tuesday, Wednesday, we'll come play on Wednesday, and when we'll play, we'll come play for the weekend. So I've got to do one for us. So that one self, it suits me. I did very, very happy the way it be. Now look at the assist when Merino give Martinelli take bust net. If you check social media now, social media don't catch fire. Everybody's talking about Merino, how good he is. He's a magician. Kaga said he's turning into being a revelation. Everybody don't talk. This is the same Merino people were casting aspersions on. This is the same Merino people were saying Ateta shouldn't have bought. See, once again, Ateta proves to people that when I say I need this person, give me that person. I know what I'm doing. You get. Once again, he proves it. So that was everything. Now, Leandro Trossard, after the match, I watch when they interview and equally talk say it's nice to be on the score sheet again and helping the team to get a win. We are there for a reason and we have been doing well in the Champions League. We have to keep believing. Away from that, now Ateta self when they talk about Declan Rice. So Ateta when they talk some things. When they ask Ateta say, Baba, today he play Declan Rice for a different role. How many roles this guy fit play? So Ateta let them say this guy fit play like 3 positions in midfield. In fact, I'm not thinking about anything else, and he was exceptional. This Declan Rice is a real bargain. Like, what's the price? 100. Nobody go argue him. Gabriel Martinelli now, according to statistics over here, Gabriel Martinelli is one of the youngest players to score 50 goals for Arsenal in all competition during the Premier League era. So Gabriel Martinelli is doing so well for himself. When you check the Arsenal website, this statistics have also do there. So I did very, very happy for him because he can't hit form at the right time. I know, just know. I did very happy for him. All right, let's bring the message from one of our sponsors, Mr. Anayo, who's a real estate agent. So Baba gets 14 plots of land for sale at Nora Scott's Luxury Estate in Ohia Egbelu in a rubber estate for the back of airport. So you live for Abara Eche in the Eche local government area of River State. So for this 14 plots of land, 6 plots they one side, 4 plots they one side, 3 plots they together, and 1 plot standalone, and it's 1.2 million per plot. So if you're interested in these pieces of property, you can reach out to Mr. Anayo on 0032765227 or 08119329922. So if you're interested in these pieces of property, do give him a call. Now, we'll just go quickly, we'll just go through some of the things we Mikel Arteta talk for the press conference we in do today. All right, the first one on the performance, the way we take play the match. So you say we are really happy with the performance. I think the first 35 minutes is one of the best 35 minutes we have played this season. On the back of the game in Madrid, and we scored 2 goals. We could have scored 3, 4 to be fair. We really dominated the game, very high intensity, understanding what we had to do today to win here. When they got the red card, the context of the game changed and we were in control, and scored another 2 goals and made certain rotations. So overall, a positive afternoon. Shebina they talk say this match, no matter all of us know it's a must-win game. So we came here and we turn up. Ipswich no play 10 men behind the ball. That's why I can't do it somewhat easy for us. Now, on whether Leandro Trossard will start against PSG, he's certainly ready to play in any position. We have to make certain adjustments, not just because we're PSG, but because of the situation we had, as well as with Thomas Partey that he cannot play and a few other players. But that's good because the team shows adaptability and versatility for certain players to play in different positions. That's very much needed, especially when we have the numbers we have at the moment. Now, on the challenge Bukayo Saka, I think I said the referee made a decision that is clear. He was a bit sore, but it's nothing serious. That's why I think I say no be anything serious because they don't really look Saka say, Baba, nothing there happen. All right, on Saka and Martin Odegaard performance, they say I hope they are very good, both of them. I think they are very good. So Bukayo Saka didn't score, but he contributed to a few goals. The same with Martin Odegaard. So overall, I think collectively we are very, very strong today as well. Now, on whether the boss was worried it was a serious injury to Bukayo Saka, he said, I do, especially with the numbers we have right now, and especially when tackles are with your back to goal, because normally it's moments when the foot is planted, your weight is there, and you cannot really react to it, but it's fine. Mama can drink water, the hiccup. All right, on if we will rotate on Wednesday night against Crystal Palace. Well, Arteta confirms that we have to somehow put 11 players out there and have 4 or 5 changes. Let's see how they recover in the next few days. The good thing is that they are willing to play because they like the rhythm as well. We are used to that rhythm of every 3 days. So the boys are demanding, and then we don't have a game on the weekend. We have a gap there. So let's see how we get there on Wednesday. Now, also, all right, on being able to play with the fluidity down the right side with Ben White's return. I'm very happy for Ben White because he's missed a lot of football. He's been so consistent and regular in the last few seasons with us, and this season for different reasons he hasn't been able to play that many minutes. Today I think he played a really good game, so I'm very happy because he's got a lot of quality. He brings something else to the unit, and it was very good to finally see them. You see this Ben White, I did very, very happy to see this guy come back. Now we'll say he don't come back. Because the chemistry, the understanding between Ben White, Odegaard, Bukayo, Saka, they know they sell that understanding for markets. So that relationship is very, very good, and I'm happy they can harness it into something great. All right, I think we've taken this tackle now. On Gabriel Martinelli playing his 50th. Getting his 50th goal for us, that's great. I think he's in very good form at the moment, full of confidence, looks really sharp as well, and is arriving in a very dangerous situation with very good timing. Man, this company is disturbing my flow. Make I pause this video. Alright guys, so Jamie Carragher can they do U-turn on Mikel Merino, as you know, the way Merino played today match, he did very, very well. And this same Jamie Carragher don't talk about Merino before, insults the guy. Say Merino don't know what thing they do, saying a mistake. I think I'm not supposed to sign him. As you see, say TBR carry the story. They say early this year, say Carragher now don't get change of heart. He gets based on the way Merino they play. But earlier this year, he dubbed Merino's signing a mistake. You get so Jamie Carragher calls Merino a revelation now after Ipswich Town versus Arsenal, the way the guy they play. So even though Merino was not asked to go and play centre forward, but he still display very, very well. Now Merino statistics. Do you know that Merino already has like 6 goals and like 4 assists in about 12 games? Okay, so when I know vex, so I just the hiccup and I really have to complete this video again because I don't the record. I don't pause the video for like 15 minutes. I don't drink water, my belly don't big, but there's nothing I can do. Let me just finish up the video. So when you look at the statistics about this Merino, the guy has been doing fantastically well. He's doing well. So Mr. Abadi very, very happy with his young performances. Now McKenna will be Ipswich Town coach. Himself, they talk about the match. So Babako talk say in the history of teams they don't play this season. Say Arsenal now be the team where in believe. Say produce the highest standard of football where inside don't ever face. Like the way where Arsenal they play, they never really see them before. You get like the way we they set up, the way they play our game. Say Ajay, we are superior on all levels. It was a really tough game, probably the 2 different games to a certain extent, said McKenna, whose side having lost 7 home games on the spin are likely to have their relegation confirmed at Newcastle next weekend. It's already tough, 11-11 against Arsenal again. Not to talk of 10 versus 11 again. So we say Arsenal played fantastically well. They did well, and we said well. Our own team self will do well. Now, on whether this Davis guy will collect red card, whether he really deserve that red card. Many people don't talk about and say, well, the guy really deserve it. Now we're seeing many people they talk. Kaga self 2 points on the matter, say the guy really deserve the red card. So if they ask him, they say it is well deserved. There's no arguments because the guy just be like say in carry Bukayo Saka for mine, the way he take come kick the guy, be like saying carry for mine. I would see many people they talk, and myself I'm not really surprised yet. So even Matthew Upson say the tackle on Saka was dangerous. He was telling BBC Sports when the player raises his hand like that and when he hits the ground, you feel like it's a really bad because Saka ankle was at a slight angle. Yeah, so well, since they happen like that, so I'm not really the surprise yet. Say it happen like that. Alright, let's bring a message from another of our sponsor, Mobile World Associates and Co Limited. So they're into construction services, dredging, canalization, real estate and shore protection works, and mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services. Nationwide, if you want to reach out to them, you can call them on +234 8064642234. And they're located at number 7 Kennywood Road, Orazi, opposite St. Stephen's Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. So if you're interested in any of this, their business, do reach out to them. But me, I know as I do like this, I know just happy because this hiccuping is just breaking my flow, man. I don't know. But I just wrap up the video. So the biggest news of the night, like if I say, I thought they provide Bukayo Saka injury updates. Say nothing really do Saka. Say Saka is okay. You get say nothing to fear. You get saying they're okay. So my dear Arsenal, I think it's a fine place for us to come to call the show an end. Like come your way tomorrow morning. Till then, thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your night. Good night. All right, guys. Ciao. My just calm down small. I don't drink water. If you see my belly, I don't drink water again now like this.